Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Taking Nigeria to the next level. We are taking Nigeria to the pleasures never before. Very healthy, quite smart, active, proactive. Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu. Àkànbí ọmọ olódóòdá kìí gbọ́. One day ago, that is ladies and gentlemen, it is one of the best moments in Lagos. Center of excellence.
Nigeria is witnessing something highly significant. At this time, history is repeating itself. That's why we are here together.
Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ẹgbẹ́ orí gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó gómìnà Babájídé Olúṣọlá Sanwó-Olú ní capacity. Aṣíwájú is here. Sanwó-Olú is here. Lagos is here. Southwest is here. The future is here. Inshallah. Tí n bá sọ pé APC kí lẹ máa sọ. APC. Òun ló lọlẹ̀. APC. Àfihàn àgbàgbà àwọn tó ń sọ pé APC. Àbùsọ èyí ti sọ pé APC. Princess Akola-Sade Oba, APC. The High Chairman, one piece of APC. Governor Babájídé Olúṣọlá piece of APC. Ladies and gentlemen, on this note, it should be highly wonderful. Please, can we please leave that space? The front of Asiwaju, can we please, security, please take charge and leave space in that place. Asiwaju is our program. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu is our program. It will be highly notable for us to see our product wherever we are standing for. Please, security, please take charge. You might be something of this place, hello. Security, please take charge. The Argon chairman, so that you can see Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu as one to do the structure of women area. The next president, inshallah, APC. Team of APC, also APC. Team of next president, Jagaban.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.